Good day, radiant souls. Welcome back to VitalGlow Life, your trusted guide to all things beauty. Today, we're diving into the world of flawless skin, exploring simple yet effective beauty tips for your face. Your skin is more than just a canvas. It's a reflection of your inner health and self-confidence. And guess what? Achieving that lustrous glow is easier than you think. So, are you ready to unveil your skin's maximum potential? Stay tuned to find out how. First off, we cannot stress enough the importance of a solid cleanse, tone, and moisturize routine. This trinity of skincare is the cornerstone for nurturing a healthy, radiant complexion. Let's start with cleansing. Think of it as the foundation of your skincare routine. It rids your skin of makeup, dirt, and impurities that accumulate throughout the day, letting your skin breathe. Next is toning. This step is like the middleman between cleansing and moisturizing. It helps to balance the skin's pH levels, tighten the pores, and prep the skin to absorb the moisturizer better. Finally, moisturizing. This is the sealant of your skincare routine. It locks in the hydration and keeps your skin nourished and supple. Choosing the right products for your skin type can be a game changer. For instance, if you have oily skin, opt for lightweight, oil-free products. Those with dry skin should go for richer, cream-based products. Remember, consistency is key. Make this routine a non-negotiable part of your daily skincare regimen. Moving on, let's explore the wonders of exfoliation. Exfoliation, a key step in any skincare routine, is the process of gently scrubbing away the outermost layer of dead skin cells. This process reveals the fresh, vibrant skin beneath, promoting a healthy glow and smoother texture. But it does more than just rejuvenate your complexion. By removing the barrier of dead skin cells, exfoliation allows your skincare products to penetrate more deeply, enhancing their efficacy. It can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines, unclog pores, and even out skin tone. The frequency of exfoliation, though, is highly dependent on your skin type. For those with sensitive or dry skin, once a week may be adequate. However, if you have oily or combination skin, you might benefit from exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week. So, wave goodbye to dull skin and say hello to a refreshing, vibrant complexion with regular exfoliation. Now, let's delve into the power of hydration and sun protection. Hydration is more than just a buzzword in the beauty world. It's a fundamental aspect of skin health. Our skin is mostly made up of water, and without enough of it, skin can become dry, tight, and flaky. Dry skin has less resilience and is more prone to wrinkling. So how do we keep our skin hydrated? It's simple, really. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. It's the most direct way to feed your skin from the inside out. But hydration doesn't stop at drinking water. It's also about using products that add moisture to your skin. A hydrating moisturizer is a must-have in your skincare routine, working to replenish the water content in your skin, keeping it plump, radiant, and less prone to wrinkles. Now let's talk about sun protection. It's not just for beach days, folks. The sun emits harmful ultraviolet rays all year round, even on cloudy days. These rays can cause premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and at worst, skin cancer. Using a good sunscreen with a high sun protection factor or SPF should be a non-negotiable step in your daily routine. Apply it liberally to all exposed skin, and remember to reapply every 2 hours when you're out and about. Remember, hydration and sun protection are your skin's best friends. Treat them well, and they will definitely return the favor. That wraps up our simple beauty tips for flawless skin. Remember, achieving the skin of your dreams doesn't have to be complicated or break the bank. We've discussed the cornerstone of any skincare routine: cleanse, tone, and moisturize. This trio holds the key to keeping your skin in its best shape. We've also delved into the transformative power of exfoliation, a process that helps remove dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, fresher complexion. And of course, we've emphasized the importance of hydration, not just externally, but also internally, and the non-negotiable role of sun protection for maintaining the skin's health and youthful glow. These are simple yet incredibly effective steps that can help unlock your skin's potential. We hope you found these tips helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more beauty wisdom from VitalGlow Life. Stay beautiful until next time.